Welcome! In front of me I have FITBIT Versa 4 and I'm gonna show you how to turn off this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button or by tapping on the screen. After you wake up the screen, press the side button to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll all the way down, and at the bottom you should see the shutdown button. Tap on it, then tap on yes to confirm. And after a second or two, the watch will turn off. And that's how you turn off this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.